প্ৰকাশ হ'বলৈ ওলাইছে। শ্ৰী সুনীল সুৰেকাই আপোনালোকক মন্থন বিদ্যা নিকেতনৰ বিষয়ে কিছু কথা ক'ব।
With the aim of whole around development of a child based on value added education. Now the time has reached to transfer the philosophy to a more matured hand, that is Manthan Vidya Niketan. It is an associate of Sisu Shiksha Samiti Assam. It is upcoming in area Bokul Majgaon. Here we are showing some of the images of the proposed building from different angles. And these are the physical, the construction which is going on. These are the physical images, the construction which is actually going on at the site. Ankuran, the junior section, will have classes from preparatory to KG. Manthan, which is its higher section, will have classes from 1 onwards, which will be upgraded to class 12 subsequently. Ankuran and Manthan are connected to one another. They are not separated, means they are not separate. Manthan Vidya Niketan, it is a day boarding school. It will be a co-educational and English medium, which will adopt CBSE syllabus. But emphasis will be there on all-around development, covering 5 facets of development, which are spiritual, intellectual, emotional, physical, and social. Boarding section will start from the year 2016, where the working days will be from Monday to Friday and the timing will be 7:30 to 4:30. But during 2015-16, the working days will be same, Monday to Friday, but the timing will be from 8:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. That will be only for 1 year, but from 2016 onwards, the day boarding section will be completely started. Classroom area will be 500 square feet with a maximum strength of 30 to 36 students per section. In Ankuran, smart boards will be installed in each and every class to make the learning interactive and enjoyable. We are going to introduce 4 languages, like English is introduced in preparatory, Assamese in KG, Hindi in class 1, and Sanskrit, which will be a compulsory subject, which will be introduced in class 2. We'll have laboratories for science, mathematics, language, life skill. This is the area of the laboratory. The IT lab, special care will be taken to make the IT lab fully sophisticated, so that we can familiarize children with the most advanced technology. It will have the library will be designed in such a way that it can cope the needs of both students as well as teachers and staff. The homeworks which are given in the school will be completed in the school itself by under the supervision of a teacher. So we will not send homework to the at home. They will be completed in the school itself. Special care will be taken for the slow learners. They will be given remedial help. The sports and co-curricular activities, these are the compulsory part. Means we have divided sports and co-curricular activities into two sections. One which will be compulsory for each and every student. Second, it will be based on one's interest. So the compulsory activities will cover swimming, martial art, yoga and drawing. And based on one's interest, child can enroll in any one of the subject. Sports, dance, music, drawing and fine arts. Out of this, they can enroll in one of the field. It is generally seen that whatever we learn in school and whatever we have to do in our practical life, both do not have any link. So in Manthan, we will introduce one subject under the name practical life skill, where a child will be taught different activities related to day-to-day life. Say for example, cooking, stitching, different rules of the societies. All this will be a part of this practical life skill, so that a child when comes in the society, he do not find himself alone. He should not feel as if whatever education I have got, that was only theoretical and practical is totally different. So we will try to bridge a link between theory and practical. In Manthan, we are going to implement vocational training. Vocational training is introduced mainly for two reasons. One, to make a child understand the practical application of the topics learned in class. Whatever they learn. Say for example, if we have taught a child how to calculate volume. Now, practically if he is asked to find the volume of a room, he cannot do that. So, there should be a practical application of whatever a child learn in class. Secondly, to develop entrepreneurship. It is said that India is a very big market. Then why we need to be a salesman? We should make in India. So for that, entrepreneurship is required. So with the help of vocational training, a child will develop that entrepreneurship, which will help him or her to start its own avenue. Being a day boarding school, meals will be served in the school itself. We will be serving 3 meals: breakfast, lunch and evening snacks. The menus of the meals will be uploaded in our website on weekly basis for the parents' information, and the food served will be a purely vegetarian food. It will be a pure vegetarian food. Restrooms will be there for the children's. In Manthan, there will be a dispensary, cum medical unit, having a permanent nurse and visiting doctors. We will also have one parent relation officer. It is normally seen that when parents try to contact in school, it is very difficult. So, in order to overcome that problem, we have decided that we will be having a parent relation officer with whom parents can easily interact to provide different informations and the feedback. CCTV cameras will be CCTV cameras with voice recorder will be installed in each and every class, mainly for two reasons. One, for the security purpose. Second, to analyze teachers' pedagogy, whatever teachers are teaching. So that system we can easily analyze. Regular one-to-one parents-teacher interactions will be there. School will have its own transportation system. The whole philosophy of Ankuran can be summarized in one sloka, which is Amantaram aksharam nasti, nasti moolam aushadam, ayogyah purusho nasti, yojaks tatra dullabhah, which means that each and every child has some or other quality. We have to assess that quality and direct the child in that path. So in Ankuran, in Manthan, we will try to find that quality of a child so that he can be directed to that path. In Manthan, the process will be a man in self-making. We are not going to teach, but a child will churn inner potential to seek self-made holistic leadership so that he can cope with the ever-growing challenges of life to fulfill his responsibilities towards his family, society, country, and the world as a whole. You see, this is the ultimate aim of all the human beings. Why we acquire education? Why we acquire different knowledge? This is the ultimate aim, so that we can fulfill the responsibilities towards our family, society, country, and the world as a whole. So in Ankuran and Manthan, both we want to make learning very simple, interactive, and practical based, so that a child, when he goes in the practical life, in the real society, he do not feel as if he has not acquired any knowledge. Thank you.
Back to our program. As you know, we are celebrating the festival of Kartik month. We have already celebrated Kati Bihu now and Durga Puja also. Now about 18 days after Durga Puja, on the darkest new moon light of the year in Amavasya of Kartik month, we celebrate the lighting of Diya, that is Deepavali. The third day is the main festival day, when people wear new clothes or their best outfits. Diyas are lit, pujas are offered to Lakshmi and to one or more additional deities depending upon the region of India. Typically, Ganesh, Saraswati, Kuber and Lakshmi symbolizes wealth, prosperity and knowledge. The blessings are invoked for good year ahead. Manvik Deora, Dishita Tibrewal, Rudra Harlalka, Uditi Jasarasariya, Vedant Deepak Garodia are presenting a dance on the tune of Gali Gali Deepavali.
কাতি মাহৰ অমাৱস্যা হেনো বছৰৰ আটাইতকৈ এন্ধাৰ নিশা। সেয়েহে এই নিশা সকলোৱে চাকি জ্বলাই এন্ধাৰৰ পৰা পৰিত্ৰাণ পোৱাৰ চেষ্টা কৰি দীপাৱলী পালন কৰে। এই নিশা লক্ষীৰ আৰাধনা কৰা হয় আৰু আগন্তুক দিনবোৰৰ বাবে সুখ আৰু সমৃদ্ধিৰ কামনা কৰা হয়।
दीप्ति नमस्कार। আমার নাম देवरा আমি আজ তাদের সামনে দীপাবলি শোনাবো দীপ দীপ দীপাবলি আমরা বলি দিওয়ালি ফুল চড়ে পতাকা কিনে দিছে চটকা
करे दूर अंधेरा दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा
प्यार की सौगातें हूँ तारों की बारातें हूँ
दूरी की न बातें हो बस मुलाकातें हो
सबको यही देती संदेशा दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे
आओ चलाएं मिलकर पटाखे झूम झूम खुशियाँ मनाएं दीपावली fills the streets with happiness and merriment across the lighting nights and night दीपावली is here today
दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे
Celebrated on the first day of the month of Sawal in the Hijri calendar. It symbolizes the end of 1 month of fasting during Ramzan. This is a day when Muslims around the world show a common goal of unity. The Islamic calendar is a lunar calendar and months begin when the first crescent of a new moon is sighted. Since the Islamic lunar calendar year is 10 to 11 days shorter than the solar calendar, Shawwal, the month, migrates throughout the season. Sufism in Islam has given birth to many song forms. One of them is Jikir. Abhinav Shah, Ansh Bharadwaj, Noitik Datta, Pranay Bhualka, Shiva Paul, and Tanmay Khwala will perform Jikir, a devotional song.
ঈদ উল ফিতৰ সৱাল মাহৰ প্ৰথম দিনা পালন কৰা হয়। এই দিনটোত বিশ্বৰ সকলো মুছলমানে ঈশ্বৰৰ পৰা দোৱা মাগে। ইছলামিক কেলেণ্ডাৰ এক চন্দ্ৰভিত্তিক কেলেণ্ডাৰ, সেয়েহে অন্য কেলেণ্ডাৰৰ তুলনাত ই 11 দিন ছুটি হয়। কাচি জোন প্ৰত্যক্ষ কৰাৰ পাছতহে ঈদ পালন কৰা হয়। সুফি পৰম্পৰা ইছলামসকলৰ এক অন্যতম পৰম্পৰা আৰু এই পৰম্পৰাত গীতৰ মাধ্যমেৰে ঈশ্বৰৰ প্ৰশংসা কৰে। অসমত আজান ফকীৰে এই পৰম্পৰাক গঢ় দিছিল।
ভকতৰ পাছতে সোনাই নৈৰ পাৰতে ঘৰে আল্লাহ ৰহমান কিৰিমত তুমি আল্লাহ চাহিব যদি তোৰা দৰিয়া পা বাৰৰ বেলিয়া দুপৰ চাই দৰিয়া চাহেব দুখ কলবুলি ওলাল আল্লাহ রহমর গিরি হত তুমি আল্লাহ সাহেব যদি তোরা করিয়া পা কুকুরবার বেলিয়া উপর সাইদরিয়া হায় হায় ও সাহেব দোকান বলি ওলাল আল্লাহ রহমর গিরি হত তুমি আল্লাহ সাহেব যদি তোরা করিয়া পা ওলাম্বরি কাপুর
Puh or Poshya month is one of the coldest month of the year. People wear warm clothes and sit around fire to keep themselves warm and be comfortable. Arjab Jain, Daksha Jain, Nikhil Marodia, Hardik Garodia, Darsha Agarwal, Kavya Bharatiya are representing the coldest month of the year.
পুহ মাহ হ'ল বছৰৰ আটাইতকৈ ঠাণ্ডা মাহ ঠাণ্ডাৰ পৰা পৰিত্ৰাণ পাবৰ বাবে মানুহে গৰম কাপোৰ পিন্ধে আৰু জুই ফুৱায় Ringa roses, pocket full of roses. Harsha, harsha, we all fall down. Ringa roses, pocket full of roses. Harsha, harsha, we all fall down. Ringa roses, pocket full of roses. Harsha, harsha, we all fall down.
December is celebrated as Christmas, celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ at Bethlehem. Christians all over the world pray and enjoy. Ishan Kejriwal, Karan Sonawat, Mekan Borgohai, Pratik Das, Ridhimi Jain, Siddhant Poddar, Twesha Khemani will be performing a dance on the tune of Jingle Bell.
25 ডিচেম্বৰৰ দিনটো বিশ্বত বৰদিন হিচাপে পালন কৰা হয় এই দিনা বেথেলহেমত যীশু খ্ৰীষ্টৰ জন্ম হৈছিল বিশ্বৰ সকলো খ্ৰীষ্টান ধৰ্মী লোকে ইয়াক আদৰেৰে পালন কৰে প্ৰবাদ মতে সেই দিনা সান্তা ক্লজে বিশ্বৰ শিশুসকলৰ বাবে উপহাৰ আনে
নমস্কার আমার নাম প্রতীক দাস আমি আজ আপনাদের সামনে বড়দিন আবৃত্তি করে শোনাবো বড়দিন কি যে শুভ দিন সবাই মিলে পালন করি যিশুর জন্মদিন Very good, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleighing song tonight.